So it's November 15th, Friday, 2019, at 4:03 a.m. It's just driving me crazy. So I had to come out of the living room. It's just too hard to lay there and sleep like this. Sometimes it just drives me crazy. Like right now, I need to just turn off. I need to stop. And there's no way to stop it. So you're supposed to deal with it. How are you supposed to get through this? Nobody tells you. We're all on our own out here, trying to navigate this condition ourselves. Nobody knows what to do. Nobody knows what to tell us. Nobody knows how to help us. Around 32 people now that have this. You know, we're all suffering around the United States, and nobody's helping us. Every physician abandons us or just sits on their hand. I mean, last time I spoke to my Erratic was October 10th, where he was looking for a surgeon to do acid reflux surgery, common surgery. It's now November 15th. But this is surgery we've talked about for over a year. Just to help add some relief, maybe to some symptoms. I didn't expect it to stop the hiccups. Reduce issues. Maybe reduce some symptoms. Some relief. How hard is that? How many times do I have to keep chasing these people down? They're professionals. Really expensive professionals. Yeah, the gastroenterologist who wrote an article on hiccups for Reader's Digest. He would think he has an invested interest. He stopped returning my phone calls 8 months ago. And the last time I talked to him was he tried to get a hold of my Erratic for us to do any of these surgeries. There's others too that I've given approval, or one other I've given approval to. And today, or do they actually stop you from being? You know, for a while. This is not right. Yeah.